friends, today I am making fish masala curry in a similar way of making Mahiqalya. For that you got to take 750 grams of fish. Here I am taking head, tail and stomach portion of the fish. In a mixing bowl, you got to take 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of, or according to your taste, salt. Mix it thoroughly and add water if required. Now add fish pieces, apply to all the pieces and marinate for at least 20 minutes. Get the pulp of handful of tamarind. Take 1 tablespoon of each dry coconut, peanuts and sesame seeds and 1 sliced onion. Dry roast all the ingredients such as coconut, peanuts, sesame seeds and even onion. Add 2 to 3 drops of oil if required. Grind all of them and keep it aside. Take a flat big karai. In that you got to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. 2 dry chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of each cumin seeds, mustard seeds, nigella seeds and fenugreek seeds. Add curry leaves, let them sprinkle and add ginger garlic paste to it. Fry the ginger garlic paste. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon or salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder mixture. Now add the grinded masala and saute the masala till the masala tends to release the oil. Or the raw smell of the masala goes off. When no more raw smell is coming from masala and the masala tends to release the oil, add the tamarind pulp to the masala and saute a little more. Now add water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Now add all the fish pieces one by one. Mix the pieces gently and add coriander leaves to it. Mix it well. Add some chaat masala powder. I am adding half a teaspoon. Mix it gently. Now add 3 to 4 splitted green chilies and put the lid on. Cook it on simmer for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the fish curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with hot plain rice. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, share my videos with your friends and thanks for watching.